Overnight, the city marking a grim milestone in the war against coronavirus. Over 1,000 New Yorkers dying from the aggressive disease in little more than 2 weeks since the first person lost their battle.
We all know that we are racing against time right now.
Officials are giving a timetable of the next 7 to 21 days being the most critical in the fight. The president striking a somber tone.
This is going to be a rough 2-week period. As a nation, we face a difficult few weeks.
The city now ramping up its hospital bed expansion effort, the latest field hospital location coming to the Billie Jean Tennis Center in Queens. But this morning, there's still a need for more ventilators.
Think of it as your lungs being filled with fluid, like you're drowning. And once you get to that point where you're drowning, you need a ventilator to stay alive, and we're running out of that equipment for people.
With the city's intensive care units 84% full, 400 more ventilators are needed by Sunday.
This is the point at which we must be prepared for next week when we expect a huge increase in the number of cases.
While some disease experts believe some prevention efforts are working, the governor had this reality check.
You then have to come down the other side of the mountain once you hit the apex.
And that certainly will take some time. Right now, Queens is the location with the highest concentration of cases, over 14,000 people infected with COVID-19. And we are also told that's why the tennis center will be opening there next week to kind of relieve some of the pressure on the hospital system that is just so taxed in that borough. This, as the USNS Comfort here behind me, is now open for business in Manhattan. Live on the west side, I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.